Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get and change the title of your profile or your account in Dragon Ball Legends. And also the title has some effect. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner that are new into this game and still confusing how this game is works and how you can challenge the mission, the event, and how to get some reward. And let's get started by tapping the menu and tap the other option here. As you can see, there are some option here, but tap the first one, status, and this is your player status or your account or your profile status. You can change name here, your ID, and our card sleeve, but I want to show you this one, the title. You can change the title by tapping the change, and as you can see there are some title that I've already got and the details. If the title no effects, you can see here this title no effect, but you can make a category here like change, for example the adventure, for example. Okay, there are not yet tournament of power, not yet, but let's get back. There are some title like this. I'm use this the Cyan who cross space-time, and I've got this title effect. Just tap on all character status plus 50 is quite useful. So thank you for watching. Please get your title, your best title in this game to get the effects or get the bonus. A status bonus will apply to all character your own when you receive a title. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.